Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your TV supports the memory card type and capacity. Check the user manual or on-screen specs. Once done, power off the TV to avoid data corruption, and if you have a micro SD, use the SD adapter. Orientation matters, so align the contacts and push until it clicks. Make sure the card is seated fully in the slot and the card door is closed, because a loose card will not be read when you power the TV back on. After powering the TV on, navigate to the Input or Media Player app. This is where the card appears as an external drive. Once you open it, let the TV index files, then browse common folders like DSIM, video, and music to locate your content. If formats aren't supported, convert files to compatible codecs. Make sure to adjust playback settings such as video resolution and subtitle language so you get smooth playback. If a format option appears, select the one matching your files to avoid stuttering. To finish, play a representative file to confirm the TV reads the card and that audio/video sync is correct. Adjust volume and subtitle timing if needed. When done, use the TV's eject or storage menu or power off the TV before removing the card to avoid corruption. If the card isn't recognized, try a different adapter, test the card in another device, format it to FAT32/XFAT on a computer, and make sure your TV firmware is up to date. These steps solve most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.